Good morning, this is Dr. Cooper and today is our second video on the diabetic series, and what we're going to be looking at today is the symptoms of diabetes. So firstly, it's really important to note you may have no symptoms at all, so it is important to screen for diabetes. So get your sugar checked even if you don't feel any symptoms. Symptoms tend to develop quite late and not everyone gets symptoms. But one of the very first symptoms, one of the commonly known ones, is passing a lot of urine. The reason for that is because, as we showed you with that picture, the kidneys don't have a gate. So the glucose, whether your insulin is working or not, your glucose can easily get into the kidneys. Then it gets pulled into the urine and that pulls more water. So you pee more often and you pee more volume, which means that, leading on to the second symptom, you're thirsty all the time. You drink water, you drink water, you drink water, but you just continue to pee it out. The third is a loss of weight without trying. And the reason for that goes with being very hungry. So loss of weight without trying and being hungry. And that's because all the carbs, the starches, are broken down into glucose, and the glucose is sitting in the bloodstream. The body can't actually use it. So diabetes is also known as starvation in the midst of plenty. The sugar's all there, but your body can't use it. So you lose weight because you're trying to find other energy sources and you're feeling very hungry. You can also have blurred vision, and that's because the eyes are part of the nervous system, and as we said, the brain also does not have a gate. So the sugar just goes in and it affects the nerves of the eyes. You can have numb and tingling in your hands and feet. You'll feel very tired, and that's also because you can't use up the glucose. There's a lack of energy. Very dry skin. If you cut yourself, your wounds will heal more slowly. You may have sexual dysfunction, and again, that's because of affecting the nerves. And you might find that you get more infections, particularly fungal infections, oral thrush, vaginal thrush. Those are all common. So the most well-known symptoms is passing a lot of urine, being very thirsty, but also loss of weight without trying and being very hungry. Blurred vision, numbness or tingling in the hands and feet, feeling very tired. And then some of the lesser known ones are having a dry skin, healing more slowly, getting more infections, and then one that people don't like to talk about is sexual dysfunction. But as I said, these symptoms only come at a much later stage. So even if you have no symptoms, it's really important to get your sugar checked. Have a good day, and we hope you continue enjoying these videos.